Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday the 2nd of June, yes, 2022. We have here one regular puzzle, a Sudoku Medium, and we have also in this newspaper an additional, yes, let me show you the additional with extra puzzles, yes. And on Thursday and on Tuesday we have a lot of puzzles. Those editions have a 1-star Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. Killer Sudoku, the binary puzzle number 1 and the binary puzzle number 2. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 9 extra puzzles. And I'm not solving those all, because it's too much for me. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. I need also the same time for uploading those to YouTube. Not a fast connection I have here, so yeah. So what I will do is first the Sudoku Medium, then I will do a half of the extra Sudokus, 5 out of 9, and I will start with the Medium Sudoku. By the way, the news of today, yes, I believe the Queen of England, 70 years Queen of England, a platinum celebration, yes, 70 years old, 70 years the Queen, yes, she's 96 I believe. Anyway, it's in England, not here in the Netherlands. But let me start with this puzzle. This puzzle will be number 4639. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. Let me do this. I have not done this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 1 star for 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Well, it's almost 3 minutes past. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 4 in this column? Last column. 4 in the column next. So that column, now only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then let me see. Cannot continue with the 4. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? The second row, one of the missing number is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then the 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row, so the third row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, so no 1 in this box, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright, okay, I cannot continue with the 1. So let me try another digit. How about yeah. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then let me see. 7, 2. I need a 2 here. Choose. Ooh. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 and a 5 in this row. So no 7 and a 5 in this box. The 7 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. This box should be an 8. 8 in the 3rd row. 8 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the 3rd row. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then let me see. How about, come on. I'm thinking. We have a 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here a 9 in the 1st column. So no 9 there, 9 should be here. Oh, wait. Okay. Cannot continue with the 9 now. How about the number? Let me see. 8. The 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in the 1st column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Oh, wait. Okay, cannot continue with the 4 now. How about, let me see, 6. Interesting. We have a pair, I believe. In the last row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here or there. 6 in one of those 3 boxes in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be, no. 2 boxes left for the 6 should be here or there. Same for the 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. All right. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. All right. 8. Interesting. Let me see. 5, 2, 7. Need to think. Okay, 8. Come on, it's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the last row, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in The last row, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3 in this column. So no 3 there. The 3 could be here, could be there. Overlooked. 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8, 8, 8. Alright. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is the 7. We see here 7 in this column, first column. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers: 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 5 and 8. That means 1 box left in this column for number: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Oh, wait. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. 3, 9, 4. Interesting. Let me see. 2. 2 missing numbers in this row. Here we have 1 and the 6. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 we have here. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Wait, 2 missing numbers in the middle column for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 and the 7. Yeah. We're missing the 8 then. Yeah, so the 8 should be there. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8 in this column. So no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in this row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. That means that box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. Yes, 8 in this row. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. Okay, 5, 5. We have there. Okay, the 1, 1. Let me see. Do we have all the 8s? Yeah, no. Yeah, we overlooked this 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. Okay, now we have all the 8s, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. 5, 5. Okay, 5, 5. Interesting. Okay, and now 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 now. So no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 7. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 6 in this column. Last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, no, need 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. All right. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, no, need place left for the 5, it should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, no, need 2 places left for the 5, should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Well, 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6. Overlook this 6 in this column. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now I can count the 6s. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. How about the 1? Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, no, need 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see that 1, 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, no, need 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see that 1, 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. This is number 5, number 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2, 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3 need to wait. How about those 2 missing numbers in this row? For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. 1 box left in this column. For number 1, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box give me 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box give me 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes. Well, if I deduct the 3 minutes in earlier begin, then it will be faster than 50 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars then. Alright, 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the additional, with extra puzzles. 5 puzzles I will solve in additional, so see you later. Bye bye for now.